Good morning, dear students. Coming to the true or false exercise from chapter Rip Van Winkle. Rip was kind to children, very true. He was very kind to children. He used to play with them. He used to tell them long stories also. He was a hard-working man. False. He was a lazy man. Okay, the short old man on the mountain was his constant companion. Again, false. Wolf the dog was his constant companion. Rip helped the old man on the mountains because he wanted to have a drink from the barrel? No, because he asked for the help. That is why Rip helped the old man. He was away for 20 years because he was asleep on the mountains. Very true. Okay, so these are the answers. The drink from the barrel made him fall asleep for 20 years. Yes, the drink from the barrel made him sleep. Nobody recognized Rip when he came back because he had reached the wrong village. The answer is false. Don't look at these answers. The answers that I have told are the right answers. Okay. Nobody recognized Rip when he came back because he had reached the wrong village. No, he had reached the right village only, but because he had reached after 20 years, तो कोई उसको पहचान नहीं पा रहा था. The villagers had all changed. अब जो वो तो बूढ़े हो गए हैं उसके टाइम के लोग. Okay. Coming to the next thing, complete the following sentences. Rip's village was situated at the foothills of the Catskill Mountains. You can see the answers from the chapter itself. The children of the village loved him because he played with them. He told them how to fly kites and shoot marbles, and also told them long stories. Okay, Wolf the dog was his constant companion. The villagers stared at him because they had never seen him before. Okay, the old woman who recognized Rip was his old neighbor. Here are the answers. You can write the complete answer in this that I have told you just now. Okay, because no one knew him, because they had not seen that man. Okay, at the foothills of the Catskill Mountains. Complete this work in your notebook.